I want to show you what we got here. We got this soundbar. This is Hisense HS2100 Soundbar. This is 2.1 channel soundbar. It's called the Beast. 240 watts audio power. It's Dolby audio, DTS, TV mode. What we want to do is unbox this stuff, check it out, see what is inside. I got 3 speakers and 6 equalizer settings. So let's check this stuff out. And hook it up to your TV via Bluetooth, optical cable and HDMI. This soundbar is with wireless subwoofer. This is the information pack. There we go. This is very sleek and light. It's not heavy. Accessories are in here. Very light. There we go. Let's see what it looks like. And the power cable goes in here. You have aux port, USB, HDMI and optical. This soundbar is very light. The Beast, 240 watts audio power, 6 equalizer mode, Bluetooth 5.3, super powerful bass, ease play, multi connection, TV mode, ultra slim subwoofer and TV mate. HS series 2.1 channel soundbar, DTS and Dolby audio. Hisense, the Beast. This is the subwoofer here, very slim. Look at that. So this, you got black clothing here. The rest is covered with plastic, and at the back here you switch this off and reset it from here. The power cable goes in here. Now what is in here? The accessories. So you have HDMI cable included in the packaging, which is handy. This is power cables. The 2 power cables, one is for soundbar, the other one is for subwoofer, and battery. Also the remote control.
Bluetooth connected.